Oh. Wow.
We're gonna have a problem. No, we're not having a pet bird. I'm a freaking pet bird.
Nobody wants a pet bird.
I want a pet beetle.
Oh
You
my.
get it with the...
Wow.
I hope it bites.
That's your first, huh? He looking at you.
He's hanging pretty good there,
Yeah, you are. Ooh, he gonna try and get you. Wow. Mm.
In the hook?
No. Just wrap around his leg. And his wing a little bit.
That's crazy.
You had just said too, I bet you I can catch it.
And they threw it out there. Yeah.
Oh, I heard it hit the
Just
water.
broke. Might be something on there.
You gotta get this off again. You're not gonna be able to fly.
Oh, he'll catch up. He's trying to get you. Let me see if I can help you a little bit. He'll be all right. He'll figure it out. We were trying to help you. There he goes. He'll get it together.
There you go. He got it.